FTX sues NFT Stars and Kurosemi over $1.3 million token shortfall. FTX lawsuit. FTX sues NFT Stars and Kurosemi for not delivering tokens as promised in a deal related to Delysium, cautioning that additional lawsuits may be forthcoming. Author Jimmy Aki. Author Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 29, 2025 at 21:15 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Defunct exchange FTX has filed a lawsuit against digital collectible marketplace NFT Stars and Kurosemi, the company behind the gaming platform Delysium, over a dispute involving undelivered tokens. The FTX lawsuit claims both firms breached their investment agreements by allegedly failing to deliver the agreed-upon digital assets. FTX's estate has also warned it may take similar legal steps against other issuers who refuse to cooperate when digital promises become legal liabilities. According to a press release published on April 28, FTX advisors reportedly made multiple attempts to resolve the issue without litigation. NFT Stars was contacted 15 times and Kurosemi 13 times between June 2023 and September 2024. Neither company responded meaningfully, forcing FTX to pursue legal remedies. In the case against NFT Stars, FTX claims it paid $325,000 in November 2021 for rights to 1.35 million Senate tokens and 135 million CITUS tokens. While some tokens were delivered initially, NFT Stars allegedly stopped transfers after FTX filed for bankruptcy. For Kurosemi, Alameda Ventures, now McLaurin Investments, paid $1 million in January 2022 for the right to receive 75 million AGI tokens. These tokens launched in April 2023 with a vesting schedule, but Kurosemi allegedly extended the schedule unilaterally and refused to transfer any tokens. At press time, Senate, CITUS, and AGI tokens do not have major exchange listings. Their value depends on issuer solvency and market adoption, both of which are uncertain due to ongoing litigation. The latest FTX lawsuit represents an escalation in the bankrupt exchange's efforts to recover assets for creditor repayments following its collapse in November 2022. The collapse came after revelations that founder Sam Bankman-Fried misused $8 billion in customer funds. Bankman-Fried was convicted of fraud and conspiracy charges and sentenced to 25 years in prison. He has been transferred to the low-security Federal Correctional Institution Terminal Island in Los Angeles. The importance of time in crypto recovery efforts. Under CEO John Ray III, FTX has recovered between $14.5 billion and $16.3 billion. The first round of repayments, targeting smaller claims under $50,000, began in February 2025. This explicitly includes those in FTX's convenience class, which provides for claims under $50,000. The next phase, starting May 30th, will cover large claims. FTX is now preparing for the second phase of repayments, which is based on a reorganization plan approved in late 2024. This phase will kick off on May 30th and will cover larger claims, including customer and general unsecured claims. FTX's $11.4 billion cash reserve is expected to fund the upcoming creditors' payouts. The estate plans to ensure that 98% of creditors receive up to 119% of their original claim value. However, some critics believe this figure doesn't consider the huge rise in cryptocurrency prices since FTX's collapse. For instance, Bitcoin was trading around $17,000 at the end of November 2022. By January 20, 2025, it surged to an all-time high of over $109,000 before stabilizing at $95,000 as of April 29, 2025. Given the massive price increases in the crypto market, creditors believe they should be compensated more fairly. Can a U.S. bill end crypto fund mismanagement? FTX's litigation against NFT Stars and Kurosemi is part of its wide recovery efforts, which have extended to several institutions and prominent figures. A case involves NBA legend Shaquille O'Neal, who reached a class action settlement over claims he promoted FTX without disclosing key information. The terms of the settlement deal remain private. Other substantial recoveries include a $228 million settlement with crypto exchange Bybit to reclaim FTX-linked assets, and a $700 million lawsuit resolution with investment firm K5 Global. These actions reflect how aggressively the FTX estate is working to recover funds and repay its creditors. Meanwhile, the defunct exchange's downfall sparked serious concerns about the lack of transparency in the crypto industry. In response, U.S. lawmakers introduced a bill called the Proof Act, protecting retail investors with oversight of funds. This proposed law would require crypto exchanges to keep customer funds separate from their business or investment accounts. Exchanges are also required to undergo monthly third-party audits, known as proof of reserves, to show they hold the funds they claim. These measures seek to prevent the kind of risky behavior that led to FTX's failure, especially its practice of mixing customer money with high-risk investments. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How do token lockups and vesting schedules impact liquidity for small investors in projects like CITUS and AGI? Extended lockups prevent investors from selling during price swings. For instance, if AGI tokens are locked for 48 months, investors can't exit even if the market crashes, leaving them vulnerable to losses. When tokens finally unlock, low liquidity on exchanges often leads to sharp price drops due to sudden sell-offs. Could AI-driven smart contracts prevent future disputes like FTX's with NFT Stars and Kurosemi? Yes, AI-driven smart contracts could automate token releases based on predefined milestones, such as game development stages. This would prevent issuers from unilaterally changing terms, ensuring fairness without lawsuits. Are decentralized exchanges, DEXs, a viable alternative for trading illiquid tokens like Senate and AGI amid FTX-like collapses? DEXs like Uniswap allow trading of illiquid tokens but often suffer from low liquidity, causing high slippage. For example, selling illiquid tokens like Senate could crash their price. Regulatory risks also loom, as tokens like AGI might face unregistered securities claims if listed. While DEXs offer access, they often fail to provide stable price discovery for stranded assets post-collapse. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Expert makes bold claim. XRP's future price is already locked in as XRP about to jump to $10. New futures ETFs fuel bullish XRP price prediction. News. Pi Network price prediction. Analysts eye monster rally if this key event sparks the breakout. 1 day ago, by Michael Davis. Industry talk. Is Trump coin about to explode? $1.7 billion inflows before Trump's private dinner price prediction update. 1 day ago, by Tim Hackey. News. Cardano price analysis, 100% ADA recovery on the cards? 1 day ago, by Joel Frank. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. April 15, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in April 2025. April 18, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025, by Medb Keely-Cuddy. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. April 13, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. April 13, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025. 14 next big cryptocurrencies. September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.